Let's learn about some pronunciation tips. Welcome to Gaidash.com. Are you ready? Let's practice together. Let's learn the open front, unrounded sound, like in the word sat, with the tip of the tongue arching towards the front of the mouth, away from the roof of the mouth, with the lips unrounded and the mouth relatively open. Let's practice together. Watch closely. Sat. Sat. There is a new English pronunciation course coming out right on Gaidash.com. I have finished a USLAX, or United States Institute of Language and Clerical Studies, degree program, which helps people like us help each other teach and learn subjects. Mine was in a degree of education, and I have completed a TEFL certificate, which stands for Teacher of English as a Foreign Language, so I can help you pronounce more efficiently. So go ahead and look at the description for the course and have some nice practice with your pronunciation. Bye. See you in the class.